Right guys, just going to put the parking up camera right at the end here. Right guys, we'll put the lights back on now. I think we've had our fun, gone quite well. Okay guys, we're in the light now. Final bits of the filming. Okay, we'll bring Roland in. Right, we'll let that 275 penultimate lap. Here it comes guys, slow it right down. Pretty good, pleased with that. Right, let's turn the music down a little bit guys. Nice one. On that note, so a bit of action there in the dark from 31275, the new recruit, and with new lights etc. and the service. Towing the 4 Intercity Mark IIs with the guard van at the back. On the infield, Sir Rowland Hill 47474, towing 6, is it 6 or more? No, 8 coal wagons and the guard van. So on that note, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you've just seen, do leave me a like and subscribe, every little counts, and I hope to see you again on next time. Take care guys, bye.